With Gemini Live Mode, you can have a real-time voice interaction with Gemini AI, on which you can share your screen or on your camera and then interact with the AI in real time. You might have an object and it can easily identify it, or perhaps you're looking for a solution to some certain problems. You can just share your camera and record a video of it while you talk with it in spoken language. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I was able to set up the different pieces of a microphone together using this feature offered by Google's Gemini, which is the Live Mode. If you want to use it, go to Google and search for Try Gemini, then activate the Live Mode. Click the button to activate your camera or video recording, and you are good to go.
Hey Google, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you have a laptop, a mixer, and a microphone set up. Are you planning a recording session?
Yeah, so I just got these instruments and I'm trying to set it up. So I need your help to set it up.
I can definitely help with that. Let's start with the microphone. I see the microphone itself and a shock mount there. Do you have the microphone stand and cables ready?
Yeah, this is the microphone stand on the table.
Got it, the blue one. The first step is to attach the shock mount to the stand. Go ahead and twist that on.
Where is the shock mount?
The round black piece in the middle, that's the shock mount. You'll screw that onto the top of the microphone stand arm.
Alright, can you see that the shock mount is on the stand right now?
Yes, I can see that now. It looks properly secured. The next step is to place the microphone in the shock mount.
Alright.
Now, connect the XLR cable to the bottom of the microphone. That's the silver connector you pointed out earlier.
You mean this cable right here?
Yes, that's the one. Plug the silver connector into the microphone.
Confirm that it's been plugged properly.
Yes, the cable looks securely plugged in. The other end should connect to your mixer. Now, plug the other end of the cable into the mixer. Look for an input labeled XLR or mic. Yes, that's the correct input. Just plug the cable into the dynamic mic jack.
Alright, seen.
I can see the laptop and a few cables. Do you have a USB cable that connects the mixer to the laptop?
Yeah, as we are saying, I have connected the microphone to the mixer. So what next?
Now you'll need to connect the mixer to your laptop, likely with a USB cable. That will send the audio to your computer for recording. To send audio from the mixer to your computer, you'll likely need the USB cable. I see one trailing near the laptop. You can connect that to the mixer and the laptop.
Oh. Alright, it's connected. So, what am I going to do with this?
That's the clamp for the microphone stand. You'll tighten that to secure the stand to your table.
Okay, I will take the microphone to the table right now, so you show me how to use the clamp.
The use is not limited to maybe setting things up. You can also use it to solve some mathematical equations or identify different languages in different cycles, so you can convert them to language which you understand. All you need to do is point your camera to where the problem is and you get the solution in real time through vocal normal voice conversation. Now, isn't that amazing?